Have a Nissan Murano with a 3.5 liter engine. Customer complaint is that when the vehicle is started, it begins to make a growling noise. I'm suspecting possible idler pulleys or the belt tensioner pulley itself that might be defective. I'm gonna turn the vehicle on and let you guys hear it. As you guys heard that sounded really bad. Then as I'm focusing, hopefully allow me to focus here, you can see in the area down there, there's a lot of what appears to be metal shavings. So I'm thinking it's one of the bearings in one of these idler pulleys that has completely gone bad. All right, so I'm gonna bring you guys in closer in here. This is one of the two idler pulleys. As you can tell, this is the culprit. It's really bad. Bearings are gone. That's a lower idler pulley. This is the upper, and it seems to be fine. But normally in these situations, when one of them goes bad, I always recommend the customer to replace both, since the other one's about to go. Also, this here is the tensioner itself, and this has absolutely no tension left. It's damaged as well. I'll show you guys here. There should be a lot of tension on this, and there's like nothing. I'm adding very little pressure, so I'm gonna recommend the belt tensioner and two idler pulleys as well as the belt. All right, so I just finished unbolting the belt tensioner. And there's the one that was really weak. It had no tension on it. So we just remove this. And this is a bad boy right here. It's completely damaged already. So just finished installing the brand new belt tensioner. I have a screwdriver in place just to hold it in place. That way I can just slide the new serpentine belt right on it. I'm I'm going to remove the lower idler pulley. This is the one that was the original one that was damaged. This was it. It's really bad. Now we're going to move on to the upper idler pulley. And this is the upper idler pulley. It's got a smaller bolt on it. All right, so I just finished installing the serpentine belt. Also, both idler pulleys are up there, brand new, and a new belt tensioner. So this should be good to go. We're gonna start it up and see how it sounds. All right, so everything's running nice and smooth and quiet. No more of that grinding sound that it had before.